Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about this lovely succulent. This is called the Graptoveria lovely rose. As you can see, the succulent looks like beautiful roses, like a green rose in succulent form. Now, the very interesting part about the Graptoveria is that it is a hybrid between a graptopetalum as well as a echeveria. In terms of the family, it belongs to the Crassulaceae family, but the genus is called Graptoveria. If you give them good succulent soil, they grow really fast and extremely well, and they look beautiful, just like green roses. When I had initially bought it, it was as a cluster, and slowly some of them started drying up or not doing too well. So then I had to split them up and put them as separate succulents as well. Today I'm going to show you how you can repot this succulent into a different pot. So each of these lovely roses can be repotted into its own pot, or you can grow it as a clump or a cluster like this. So the choice is yours. The thing to remember is you need to use succulent soil, and you need to give them enough sun. If you don't give them enough sun, what will happen is it will elongate and it will lose the shape, that beautiful rose shape or the rosette shape that there is. And let me quickly show you how you can repot it. I've taken a very small pot in this, and I'm using succulent soil, a lot of grit and gravel, etc. So if you can see how dry the soil is, this is a regular succulent or a cactus mix. Okay. So what you can also do probably is you can put some more gravel or stones just to top up, just to give it a neater and a cleaner look. So I will use probably this one. Okay. So again, I can repot the entire stem, or I can even cut it up till here and repot it. I can even propagate it only from the leaves as well. So I have multiple options here. But in this case, I'll probably just put in the stem itself inside. This right now it's looking like, it's all clumped together. It is going to nicely flourish after a few days. So now I'm not going to water this. Let it settle in the soil, and after a few days I can water this. So again, I can put the entire, as I've put in here, I can put the entire stem in. Or I can cut the stem to a certain point. Maybe I can show you with a different one. Okay, maybe here. Okay, so you can chop off the stem at this point, right? And you can still retain the stem. This will come up again, and you can just put it in here like this. And this will develop. Now this, given that it's a little taller stem, it's standing up like this, it's a little sensitive. I don't want to plonk it in and break the stem, so I have just put it with the stem in here. So this is how you repot it. So this succulent, again, in terms of care, it needs bright light. It doesn't require to be watered very often. I would say water it once in 15 to 20 days. Pests, mealybugs can be a problem, so you need to look at the rosette all the time to see if there are any mealybug attacks. But otherwise, this is a fast growing, fast propagating succulent, and you can grow a lot of these into either different pots as one main rose in one pot, or you can grow them as a clump as I've shown you here. So this is Graptoveria lovely rose for you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.